Hello everybody and welcome back to Family Gaming Tube. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to remove the app protection pin, which is so frustrating when you're trying to click on an app and then constantly ask for a pin. So anyway, let's jump right into it. Here I am in the Amazon Firestick. I'm going to click on the Beachbody app and look what happens. It asks for a pin. That frustrates me a lot. There it is again when I ask for the Food Network pin, okay, and so on. So anyway, I'm going to show you what you need to do to turn that off. Okay, so on the very top of your screen, you're going to see a bunch of options. On the very far right, you're going to click on Settings. When you click on Settings, then you're going to go across to Preferences. Keep going. There it is. Okay, click on Preferences. Wait for the pin. You got to put your pin in. Okay, and this is for the main account holder that has to do this. Okay, you're going to see Parental Controls. Click on that. Okay, then you're going to see Pin Protect Purchases. You don't want that one. You want to keep that on. That's just to prevent anybody who's using a family sharing, to prevent them from making purchases of buying movies. What you want to do is click on the Pin Protect for the apps. Turn that off. Okay, now you're going to go back to the main menu. And now watch, when you click on an app, it no longer asks for the pin. Boom, it worked. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you out a lot. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Take care, be safe, and peace out. Don't forget that notification bell. Bye-bye for now.